Hello and welcome to another one of my Leetcode videos. In this one we'll do the classic fizz buzz problem. So it goes like, given an integer n, we need to return a list of strings corresponding to 1 to n, where for each I from 1 to n, if I is divisible both by 3 and 5, we return fizz buzz in that position. If I is only divisible by 3, we return fizz. And if I is divisible by 5, we return buzz. If it's not divisible by either 3 or 5, then we just return I as a string. So let's get into the code. We'll just start by creating an list of strings, and I'll use a linked list here since we want insertion at the end to be very quick, and at the end we'll return answers. And then I'll go ahead and create a loop from 1 to n. So for each of these we want to know if it's divisible by 3 and divisible by 5. So let me go ahead and compute those two values. So now we have two booleans, is divisible by 3 and is divisible by 5. We just take the mod with 3 and 5 respectively, and if it's 0 then we know it's divisible. So now we can just write our if conditions. So I've written the if statements, where the first one is if it's divisible by both, else if it's only divisible by 3, else if it's only divisible by 5, otherwise it's not divisible by any of them. So now what we want to do in each of the if statements is, in here we want to make it fizzbuzz. We add fizzbuzz to our answers for this index I. Similarly, for these two cases, if it's only divisible by 3, we add fizz. If it's only divisible by 5, we add buzz. Otherwise, we just add the string representation of I, and at the end we return answers. So let's see how this goes. Great, accepted. Let me submit. Cool. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.